Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am off out in the mountains here in southern Arizona. Just out today on the Trail 125 exploring some trails. Some I've never been on. I've been on this road, but I've not been on these offshoots. Uh-oh, watch out. Hot rod coming. He was just about going too fast and he got over there on that loose guy. I've been there. He was trying to slow her down. That's why I got over. I don't want to force him into the ditch any more than he was. Keep him from laying that thing over. That would not be good. I'm not a doctor. No shooting. All vehicles must remain on the roads. I hope I can get back up in there. But I don't know where or how. The thing about it, I should have plenty of gas. This thing gets stupid mileage. And I got an extra gallon of gas on here on the road back, so should be able to go pretty good. I don't think that's a road. That's just a little turnaround there. This is a test for the way I got that rotovac mounted, make sure it holds up in this rough stuff. What we got here? Ash Canyon to the left, target shooting range prohibited. Huh. Let's go up there and look. Got a number there. Don't be up there shooting. I see a bunch of pines in that valley up through there on that mountain. That canyon gets into pretty heavy pines up in there. A lot of these mountains from here, that just looks like some kind of grass on the mountains, but it's actually not. It's actually big trees. You get up in trees like this and bigger, and you get up into the pines. It's pretty cool. I've never been up this way here. Holy cow, what's this? Some kind of old ruins. Is it an old house or what? Sweet. What is that? A whale or? I think it'd be a whale being up that tall. But there's probably an old house place here. There's where the toilet used to sit right there. I don't know, that's hollow down in it. See if there's a door on one side. No, it's just, I'd say it's a cistern probably for the water then, but I can't see down in there. The lid's gone. I had a lid on it one time. Doubt I can raise myself up there. Oh yeah, look at that. Bunch of junk in there. People throw their trash in there. That'd be a smart person to do that. Not. Super cool. So there's even a hole dug here. Could have been an outhouse hole. And then here's another concrete pad. Huh, I don't know. Super cool. We'll get back on the road. Okay, let's get back moving. Check out some more of these trails. There's one that turns off here. See if it goes anywhere. Well, it goes down in the bottom. I don't know where that motorcycle went to earlier, up in here. This may be all it does, right down in here. It's like some more little camping spots, maybe. Pretty cool spot. I like it a lot. That's what it is. I don't think... That's not really a road. People may have went across there, but I don't think it's really a road. It's like that's the end of this road here. Look at all these oak leaves. These are all oak. All these oak trees out in here, so it's not all desert out here in Arizona. Definitely not this part. Outside of Sierra Vista. Outside of Hereford, Arizona, which is right next to Sierra Vista. We shall go up in here. I've not been on this road anywhere up in here. I've been on that main road and went left, but not this way. Some of those I rode by, just never went on. It's going to end up in here somewhere. It ain't going to go up that mountain, I guarantee you that. Well, I doubt it. Anyway, can't guarantee nothing. Oh, where'd that go? Maybe just right here. I think that's it. I'll run no luck. Yep, that's it. Open into neutral. And I got a gear indicator. Don't do no good to have a gear indicator if you don't look at it. Sometimes you just got to sit back and just look at it. This ain't too bad a road here, really. So far. We get this baby into second gear. Uh-oh, what's this say? And there's a vehicle up here. Lutz Canyon Trail. Bear country. I haven't seen a bear yet, but they say they're out here. Bear, mountain lions, jaguar. Oh, we'll go back down this way. There's a trail off there to the left, but that, I don't know if it does say. Whoop, I seen something run off in the brush, and I have no idea what it was. Just barely caught a glimpse of something. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's gone. So pretty cool. We got to check out some new stuff up in here that I've not seen. There's a lot of these juniper trees. That's what they say. I mean, I call them cedar, but look like cedar trees to me. Looks like we're heading back out of the mountains. There was probably a lot more roads back 100 years ago than there is now. It went up into some of these mines. I don't know what kind of roads they be, trails, whatever, but things change over the year and they block a lot of them off, put boulders in front of them. Brush goes up and you don't even see where they went, you know, like up in here could have been one. So you can't even tell no more where they're at. They're definitely not on the map. There's a whole lot that's not on the map. Look at that big valley down there, and there's mountains over there. You can see I think that's called the San Pedro River back in there. We've made it back down the road. We'll go try to find some more. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up and subscribe down below. We got more of these adventures on the way. Just hang in there to the next one. Usually I try my best to upload. Look at that. Like that all burnt right through there, and it burnt that cactus or whatever that was. Anyway, usually I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's when my videos come out. And then if I do something like a review of something, I do a lot of different things for reviews. They kind of just go in there anywhere in between. But thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.